Hello and welcome to another leather work video. So today we're going to make a leather holster for holding a pair of snippers for the garden. Now I'll just run you through what you'll need in terms of tools first. So you need some thread for sewing, a couple of needles, and we're going to use these press studs, so some press studs, a knife, and leather awl, overstitch wheel, stitching groover, and then an edge beveler. I've got a couple of things for the finish, so just the leather finish here, and then some gum tragacanth for the edging, and then just some glue, wood glue will do for this one, and just a ruler and maybe a bit of sandpaper. So that's basically all you'll need. Obviously some leather as well, so we'll get started. So these are the secateurs I'm gonna use for the holster. So I got this shovel which matches up with the size of the secateurs pretty well, so I'm going to use this as my guide to cut or to measure around. So we need two pieces. One will need to be wider than the other. So I'll put these to the side. We'll start here. So go the pencil's width. The width of the pencil's head wider. We can shorten this if we need. So this is gonna come across, so this will go in like this, and then like that, so it'll come over, little lip at the bottom there, we'll sew that in a bit. A bit.
And we can put one belt cord here.
Maybe. Okay, so finally finished the holster. We've got a finished piece here with the two press studs at the back to clip it onto your belt. Slots in like that. Hopefully I'll get a chance to do some more leather videos soon, so subscribe and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.